Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of high-quality videography with the Vmotal video camera. This camcorder is packing some serious features, starting with an impressive 42.0 MP sensor, ensuring your videos and photos are incredibly sharp and realistic. The 2.7K Ultra HD resolution at 30 FPS delivers stunning visuals, and the 18x digital zoom lets you get up close to the action. What's really cool is the built-in fill light for low-light environments, and the IR night vision capability takes your shooting capabilities to a whole new level. Battery life is always a concern, but fear not. The Vmotal comes with two 1500 mAh batteries, each giving you a solid 90 to 150 minutes of usage. Plus, you can record while charging, ensuring you never miss a moment. One standout feature is the external microphone, providing superior audio quality. Whether you're vlogging, live streaming, or just capturing family moments, the noise reduction stereo microphone is a game changer. This camcorder is a multitasking marvel, from face detection and smile capture to pause function and motion detection. It's not just a camera, it's a complete package for content creators. And the accessories? Vmotal doesn't hold back. With the external microphone, two batteries, a 32GB SD card, remote control, and a sleek camcorder bag, they've got you covered. In terms of usability, it's compact, lightweight, and easy to carry everywhere. Plus, with Vmotal's excellent 3-month free return and 1-year free repair policy, you're in safe hands. Ready to elevate your content creation game? The Vmotal video camera might just be your perfect companion. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy filming! Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.